PiNetwork is a new cryptocurrency that has been gaining traction in the digital world. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, which require significant computational power and energy consumption, PiNetwork aims to democratize the mining process. It aims to make it easy for people to mine cryptocurrency by leveraging the power of their smartphones. This means that anyone with a smartphone can participate in the mining process without needing specialized hardware or technical expertise. Traditionally, mining cryptocurrencies has required expensive equipment and a deep understanding of complex algorithms. This has made it inaccessible to the average person. PiNetwork simplifies this by allowing users to mine directly from their mobile devices. PiNetwork wants to be user-friendly and inclusive. The app is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, ensuring that even those who are not tech-savvy can participate in the cryptocurrency revolution. It works seamlessly on your mobile phone, making it convenient for users to mine Pi coins anytime and anywhere. The app runs in the background so it doesn't drain your battery or consume significant data. You just need to download the app and click a button daily to start mining. This simple process ensures that everyone can contribute to the network without any hassle. This is called mining on PiNetwork. The more active you are, the more Pi coins you can earn. Additionally, you can increase your earnings by inviting others to join the network. The goal is to create a decentralized cryptocurrency that is accessible to everyone. Decentralization means that no single entity has control over the network, making it more secure and resilient. Decentralized means it's not controlled by a single entity, like a bank or government. Instead, the power is distributed among all the participants in the network, ensuring transparency and fairness. Instead, it's spread across many computers worldwide. This global network of nodes works together to validate transactions and secure the network, making it robust against attacks and failures. PiNetwork has gained a lot of attention since its inception. Many people are excited about the potential of a mobile-first cryptocurrency that is easy to use and accessible to everyone. It claims to have millions of users worldwide, which is a testament to its growing popularity. The community is active and engaged, contributing to the development and promotion of the network. However, it's important to note that Pi is still in its early stages. The network is currently in the testing phase, and the coins mined now do not yet hold any real-world value. It hasn't officially launched yet, but the team behind PiNetwork is working hard to develop and refine the platform. Once it goes live, the Pi coins mined during this phase will become valuable and tradable. GCV stands for Global Consensus Value. This term is crucial for understanding the PiNetwork's approach to valuing its cryptocurrency. Essentially, the GCV is a value that the community agrees upon as a fair price for Pi before it officially hits the market. This consensus is built through discussions, analyses, and predictions made by the PiNetwork community members. It's a value assigned to Pi before its official launch. The idea is to have a preliminary value that can guide users and potential investors. This value is not arbitrary. It is derived from various factors including the perceived utility of Pi, market trends, and the overall sentiment within the community. Think of it as an estimated price. Just like how startups might have a valuation before going public, PiNetwork has its GCV. This helps in setting expectations and provides a benchmark for future trading. However, it's important to note that this is just an estimate and not a fixed price. The GCV for Pi is $314.159. This value is symbolic. The number 314.159 is derived from the mathematical constant pi, which is approximately 3.14159. This clever use of the constant pi not only gives a nod to the name of the cryptocurrency, but also adds a layer of mathematical elegance to its valuation. It's based on the mathematical constant Pi. This connection to the constant pi is more than just a gimmick. It represents the network's commitment to a logical and structured approach to cryptocurrency valuation. By using a universally recognized mathematical constant, the Pi network aims to instill a sense of reliability and trustworthiness in its valuation method. The GCV is not officially confirmed by PiNetwork. This means that while the community may agree on this value, it has not been formally endorsed by the developers or any official entity within the PiNetwork. This lack of official confirmation adds a layer of uncertainty, making it crucial for users to approach the GCV with a degree of skepticism. The $314.159 GCV has caused excitement among some users. Many see it as a promising sign of the potential value of Pi once it is officially launched. This excitement is fueled by the hope that Pi could become a significant player in the cryptocurrency market, offering substantial returns to early adopters. However, it's crucial to remember that this is not a guaranteed price. The actual market value of Pi could be higher or lower than the GCV once it starts trading. Market dynamics, user adoption, and external economic factors will all play a role in determining the real value of Pi. The actual value of Pi could be different after launch. As with any investment, there are risks involved. It's essential for users to do their own research and not rely solely on the GCV when making financial decisions. The future of PiNetwork will depend on its ability to deliver on its promises and the broader acceptance of its cryptocurrency in the market. PiNetwork is currently in a testing phase. This is called the testnet. The next big step is the mainnet launch. This is when Pi will become an official cryptocurrency. The mainnet launch is planned for December 2024. This is a major milestone for PiNetwork. It will allow users to trade their Pi coins freely on cryptocurrency exchanges. The mainnet launch is crucial for determining Pi's value. Once trading begins on exchanges, the market will decide the actual price of Pi. Predicting the price of any cryptocurrency is difficult. There are many factors involved. This is especially true for Pi, as it hasn't launched yet. Some optimistic members of the Pi community believe it could reach its GCV of $314.159 or even higher. However, this is based on speculation. More cautious experts have provided different price ranges. Some predict Pi could trade between $10 and $100 in the short term. Others believe it could take years for Pi to gain significant value, if ever. Section 5. Factors influencing PiNetwork's value. Several factors will influence the price of Pi after its mainnet launch. Understanding these factors can help investors and users make informed decisions. One crucial factor is adoption. The more people who use Pi, the more valuable it becomes. How many people will use Pi and accept it as payment? This is a key question. If Pi becomes widely accepted, its value could increase significantly. Another factor is the development of the PiNetwork ecosystem. The ecosystem includes all the applications and services built on the PiNetwork. Will there be useful applications built on Pi? The more useful and innovative the applications, the more likely people are to use Pi. Will businesses start accepting Pi as a payment method? This is another critical factor. If businesses see value in accepting Pi, it could drive up demand and, consequently, its price. Market sentiment and overall trends in the cryptocurrency market will also play a role. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and Pi will not be immune to these fluctuations. Positive sentiment and a bullish market can drive prices up. When investors are optimistic, they are more likely to buy and hold Pi, increasing its value. While negative sentiment can lead to price drops. If the market is bearish, or if there is negative news about Pi, its price could fall. Therefore, staying informed about market trends and news is crucial for anyone involved in Pi. Section 6. Navigating the world of PiNetwork IOUs. IOU stands for I owe you. In the context of PiNetwork, IOUs are like placeholders for actual Pi coins. Some exchanges are allowing trading of Pi IOUs. However, it's important to understand that these IOUs are highly speculative. Their value is not guaranteed. They may not be convertible to actual Pi coins after the mainnet launch. Trading Pi IOUs carries significant risks. Their price can be highly volatile. It's crucial to be cautious and understand the risks involved before trading Pi IOUs. Section 7. The potential and challenges of PiNetwork. PiNetwork has the potential to make cryptocurrency accessible to a wider audience. Its mobile-first approach simplifies mining. It has attracted a large user base. However, PiNetwork also faces challenges. It needs to ensure a smooth mainnet launch and attract developers to build useful applications on its platform. Competition is another challenge. Many other cryptocurrencies are vying for attention. PiNetwork needs to differentiate itself and demonstrate real-world utility. Section 8. The importance of informed cryptocurrency investments. Investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks. This is especially true for new and untested projects like PiNetwork. It's crucial to be informed before making any investment decisions. Do your own research. Don't rely solely on hype or price predictions. Understand the technology, the team behind the project, and the potential risks involved. Remember that cryptocurrency investments are speculative. The value of your investment can go up or down. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Section 9. Conclusion: PiNetwork's future. PiNetwork is an ambitious project with a large and enthusiastic community. Its mainnet launch in December 2024 will be a pivotal moment. Whether PiNetwork succeeds or not remains to be seen. Its success depends on various factors including adoption, development, and market conditions. The cryptocurrency world is constantly evolving. It's essential to stay informed, be cautious, and make responsible investment decisions.